You can lock them in place. I'm gonna lock them in place so you guys can see it. All of them. And I'm wearing sandals so you guys can see how safety it is, all right? It's so sturdy that you can pick yourself up.
So today we got this heavy duty pipe holders. It comes with heavy duty wheels. It comes with a adjustable height. It comes with a lock that you lock it in place so it doesn't move. And so it has this lock when you're doing heavy pipes. You lock them, you step on them, you lock all of them. So when you put a really heavy pipe, it doesn't move on you anyway. We do construction and woodworking, so we use this for wood.
The whole thing comes apart, right? Now, if you want to even lower it down, you can lower it down by actually twisting this all the way down if you want, or if you want to raise it, it's up to you. Now, to lock in place, there's actually a lock in here to lock it in place, right? So what I like to do is take the whole entire thing off, right? You could either have it locked in place if you want, or if you're ready to travel, all you got to do is fold this. There's a little lock in here. Unlock this one too. And the whole device, lock it back. And ready to go. So once it's untied, you untie it. Untie it completely, untie it. And when you hit the ground, once you untie it, these things automatically lock in place. That's one lock. Now we have this lock here that also locks this in place.
So this is how you use them. So whenever you're gonna do some pipe cutting or drilling, you put them on the stand, you cut it with a grinder, you drill it with a drill, you lock it, and that's the best way to use a pipe holder.